So the section in our book that I'm going to be talking about is on page 17. It's one of the small boxes called "People Behind People Behind the Science," and this person I'm going to be talking about, her name is Jocelyn Bell. She was born in 1943, and she's still living, so that's pretty awesome. But Jocelyn was a British astronomer, and I believe, she graduated from Cambridge University, if that's right. But her and her team were they created this radio telescope that they were gonna find signals with out in space, and the telescope is a little bigger than a football field, so you can imagine how big it was. Huge. So one night, Jocelyn was in charge of listening to the signals that it was giving off and what they could pick up in space, and they had an odd signal, an odd radio signal. It was not usual. It was away from the sun, so it wasn't something normal. So they were wondering what this could be, and they concluded that it could have been a radio signal from extraterrestrial life on like a different star or a different planet. So they originally named this signal LGM for Little Green Men, which was kind of interesting to me. But a few months later, they started picking up other signals, and what they actually concluded and what they found out was that there's these stars in space called pulsars, and that's what this whole thing's about. These planets called pulsars, and they're only about 4 miles in diameter, so they aren't very big. And they found these planets, and they spin really fast, and they give off these little radio signals that last maybe anywhere from tenths of a second to like 4 seconds. So they're quite interesting, and so that's Jocelyn Bell is what her name is, and she so-called discovered these pulsar planets. And I thought this section was interesting because I had read it during the readings of the book, and it kind of caught my eye. Like, wow, that wasn't that long ago. 1967 was when they discovered it. So it just makes me think, like, what else is out there? Like, what else can we discover? So that's it.